Good morning students. Now today we are conducting our 11th lecture of chapter number 1st, that is crop production and management. Okay, and in this chapter we have completed the entire theory portion of this chapter, that is your preparation, the practices which has been done by the farmers in their agriculture field, that is your what we can say preparation of a soil, okay, then the plowing or tilling has been done, then the sowing of the seeds, and then the manure, irrigation, fertilizer, harvesting, threshing, winnowing, removal of weeds, and the storage, okay, of the crops, and preserve them from any kind of damages. Okay, so all these things we have studied. Now we are just moving on with our exercise portion. Okay, and just remember, this is the same exercise portion which is there in the NCERT book as well. Okay, so there is no difference even in the advisor book and the NCERT textbook also the same exercise will be there. So no need to confuse. Okay, now your first question is, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to be select the correct word from this list, okay, and the blanks which I am giving you, you have to be fill these words, the correct word in that blanks. Okay, so your first question is, the same kind of plant, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called dash. This is your first question. Okay, the same kind of a plants as grown and cultivated on the large scale at a place is called. Okay, you have to be write that place at a large place when all the same kind of a plants has been grown and cultivated. What does it code, beta? From all these words, float, water, crop, nutrients and preparation. Which is the correct answer? The answer is crop. Okay, when the same kind of a plant has been grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place, that is called the crop. Okay, so this has been done. Now second blank is the first step before growing crops is dash of the soil, Okay, so which first step we have to be used before growing the crop? Before the growing of the crop, which step we have to be used, beta? First we have to be prepare the soil. Okay, so this thing we have to do? We have to do the preparation of soil. This is the second answer. Clear? Okay, moving towards the third one. Damaged seed damaged seeds would dash on top of water, on top of water. The damaged seeds would dash on top of water. This is the part of an activity which we have performed, that we are just identify how the good seeds we can easily identify. For that we have done one activity, that we have been put the seeds in a tumbler, in a glass which is filled with the water. So the good seeds will be settled down, and those seeds who are hollow from the inside has been floating on the top of the layer. So here the damaged seed means the seed which is hollow from the from inside. These seeds are on top of water. What they are doing, beta? They are floating. So they float on top of water. Clear? Okay. Moving towards the fourth one, that is for growing a crop. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash and dash and dash and dash from the soil are essential. From the soil are essential. Okay. So what? For the growing of a crop, sufficient sunlight we want, then we need a water, then we need a nutrients from the soil. Okay. So water and nutrients. Water and nutrients, we want it from the soil. Okay. For the growing of the crop. Okay. Including the sufficient sunlight, we need water as well as the nutrients for the soil are very much essential for the growing of crop. This is your first question, okay, of the exercise portion. Moving towards the second one. Now the second question is your match the following. Okay. In this match the following, column A and column B is given. Okay. In the column A, 4 points are there: Kharif crops, Rabi crops, chemical fertilizers and organic manure. In your column B, first is your food for cattle, urea and superphosphate, animal excreta, cow dung, urine, plant waste. D1 is your wheat, gram and pea, and last one E is paddy and maize. Okay. Now you are thinking that here only the 4 points are given and in column B 5 points are there. So doesn't matter, sometime it is given in the question in the excess that you become confused. Okay. So no need to be confused, just do your work, that you have to be select which one is correct one. If remaining anyone is has been left in the any point has been left it out, no issue beta, that was the excess one. Okay. Clear? So first is your Kharif crops. So what are the examples of Kharif crop beta? Any idea from here? Kharif crop is your paddy and maize. This one first. Okay. Second is your Rabi crops. So Rabi crops are your wheat, gram and pea. So it will be your second one. Okay. Third is your chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers means in which the chemical properties are there. So in chemical fertilizer, urea and superphosphate. So phosphate has been given, this is the chemical term. Animal excreta, cow dung, urine, these are the natural terms, which are natural things. So urine and superphosphate is your chemical fertilizer. So this one is your third one answer. Organic manure. So organic manure means the natural manure, that is your animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Fourth one, it means food for cattle is in the excess one. Okay, sorry, here I am pronouncing again and again the urine, this is urea. Okay, by mistake I am just pronouncing it over like a urine. Urea and superphosphate, because urine is the example of the organic manure. Okay, clear? So second question is also be done. What you have to do, you have to be write the answer in front. Okay, no need to write the points like I am writing here. I am just writing it for your explanation, okay, for your understanding. Clear? Okay, moving towards the third question. So the third question is, give two examples of each. Two types of the crops has been given in the question. First one is your kharif crop, another one is your rabi crop. So you have to be write two examples of each. Okay, so right now in the match the following we have just get the answer of these two points. The kharif crop examples are what beta? Paddy and maize. Okay, and the rabi crop examples are wheat, gram. Okay, wheat and gram. These are the examples of the rabi crop. Okay, so this is your third question. Now question number 4 is the write a paragraph in your own words of each of the following: preparation of soil, weeding, sowing and threshing. Okay, so this one you have to be try by your own, you have to be do by your own. Okay, you have to be write the paragraph in your own words. I have explained you the entire thing, you have to be explain this thing beta. Okay, these 4 points, this is your homework as well. These 3 questions also you have to be do in your notebook, and the question number 4 which I am giving you, this you have to be do by your own. So question number 4 that you have to be do, write a paragraph, write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. On each of the following. Okay, so first point is preparation of soil. Okay, preparation of soil, this is the first one. Second one is sowing. Okay, third one is weeding. Clear? And the fourth but not the least is threshing. Clear? So you have to be write the paragraph on your own words on these points. Okay? At least 10 to 15 lines you have to be write in each point. Clear? This is your today's homework as well. Remaining question answer we will continue in our next lecture. Okay? Thank you. That's all for today.